Water is one of the most essential substances for life on Earth, playing a crucial role in our daily lives. It is necessary for the survival of all living organisms, and is involved in numerous biological processes. Humans, animals, and plants all require water to grow, develop and function properly. Water plays a crucial role in regulating our body temperature, transporting nutrients and oxygen to our cells, and removing waste products from our bodies. It also acts as a lubricant, helping our joints and muscles move smoothly, and is a key component of many bodily fluids, such as blood, saliva and sweat. In addition to its importance in maintaining human health, water is also essential for many aspects of daily life. It is used for cleaning, cooking, and sanitation, and is a vital resource for agriculture and industry. In many parts of the world, access to clean water is limited, leading to a host of health problems and hindering economic development. Water also plays a critical role in the environment, providing habitats for countless species of plants and animals and shaping the landscape. Through erosion and sedimentation, it is a crucial resource for maintaining biodiversity and preserving natural ecosystems. I hope that you now understand the role of water in our life. Thanks for watching.